Making money with AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that you can start using today, step by step, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is perfect for starting a freelance writing side hustle. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. Step 2. Ask it to write product descriptions, blog posts, or social media captions. Step 3. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and post a gig like I write SEO blog posts using AI tools. Pro tip: always review and tweak what ChatGPT gives you to sound more human and add your personal touch. Canva's AI design tool can create social media graphics and thumbnails. Step 1. Go to canva.com and search for AI design templates. Step 2. Offer Canva designs to small businesses, YouTubers, or Etsy shops. Pro tip: focus on making YouTube thumbnails. They are in high demand and people will pay you to make them. Pictory turns your scripts into full faceless YouTube videos. Step 1. Write a simple script like 5 ways to make money with AI. Step 2. Upload it to Pictory. Step 3. It will automatically add video clips, captions, and even voiceovers. Pro tip: you can offer this as a service to people who want YouTube videos but don't want to edit. ElevenLabs helps you create high-quality AI voiceovers. Step 1. Upload a script. Step 2. Choose a voice style. Step 3. Download the voiceover and sell it on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Pro tip: you can also use your voice and just charge for fast delivery. Midjourney is an AI art generator. Step 1. Go to midjourney.com. Step 2. Type prompts like, create a minimalist black and white logo. Step 3. Sell your AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or even Instagram. Pro tip: focus on creating logo bundles and digital prints. These sell really well, and that's exactly how you can use 5 free AI tools to start making real money. The best part? You don't need to show your face or spend hours learning complicated skills. Which tool will you start with today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to AiMoneyLab 2025 for more AI side hustles and weekly tutorials.